Okay, here's some strawberries that spread from just a plant that had sent a runner down from a pot last year. There's a little one. I've been digging them up. There's a pathway, so I've been digging them up in here to keep them out of the path. Yeah. There's some. These are white Carolina pine berries. They make white or pink strawberries. They're small. They have a good flavor. They call it. I think they say it's a pineapple flavor, but it's just like a strawberry flavor to me. But a good sweet strawberry. And it grows super well in this climate or this soil here, the clay. It spreads much better than the cultivated. A lot of the cultivated ones I've tried. So I like this kind. Got it at Walmart. They were selling some. In a little bag. This is a bigger one. They grow through the winter here. Yeah. So they came over the path here, the walking path. So I dug them up, gave them to some people. And, hi, Dad. See, this did multiply. There were just 2 plants that came up. Okay. See, it's growing in the winter time. There's a little there's flesh. Oh yeah, let's take a video. These are strawberries. Strawberry. Pine berries. They're growing. Oh, watch out! You're stepping on. Yeah.
So when you transport them when they do the...
Oh yeah, I'll dig them up. Oh yeah, the kitty cat. Oh yeah. These are Himalayan Cypress also. I want to keep these in pots and like bonsais. Be pretty. The heat-tolerant plants will be the best for pots here. Yeah. Exotic foliage is pretty too. Here's some more plants. That's more like the adult foliage of China fir. It's a shoot I dug up. I dug up a few shoots. Hey, rooted. That's more like the adult foliage. They're very beautiful. More Himalayan Cypress. This is like that hens and chicks, the cold hardy kinds. That's another one. This is Korean pear. It got seeds germinated. I put them in the refrigerator or outside. They'll start germinating. Korean pears have gigantic pears. That's a corn lily. I think they live in South Africa. Seems to come up in winter. It came up this fall. It's a winter growing plant. They have a hot, dry summer there. A lot of the plants go through their active season in the winter when it's cool and wet, like the Mediterranean climates. Another China fir. No, that's a China fir, but it's almost died, so I transplanted it. Himalayan Cypress, pretty much the same thing over and over. Grape hyacinth, black raspberry seedling. This is a cultivated black raspberry here. It came up from a shoot that came up from a pot, started growing. Did well. The weeds actually helped it. The weeds kept it humid and kept the sun off of it while it was really hot in summer, and it grew over the weeds. And it was easily able to come out of the weeds without getting choked out of too much. So weeds help. They stay green where the weeds are. The weeds are like a windbreak, keep it from getting too cold. So it's able to grow through the winter here. Blackberries, raspberries, and other plants do that here. Sweet gums, trees, small trees in the forest still stay green through the winter. Here is, I think, a native cactus, the prickly pear cactus. You find them on the roadsides. They fall off and start rooting. They're cold hardy. They're milk jugs cut out to make a pot. And there's another Himalayan Cypress. This one stayed green, I think. That's a date palm, but it got frost damage also. I think it's, yeah. There's only a few date palms that were alright this year. That one's alright. It stayed green. There's some in the ground too. Those date palms are partly cold hardy. Flowering bulbs in pots, like the great hyacinths. They were supposed to be giant Japanese timber bamboo when I got the seeds from a website, but it's more like moso. Giant Japanese timber bamboo is a glossy, thicker leaf. It's hard, and moso is softer and hairy. So I don't know if it's truly that species. More black raspberries in here. They keep small shoots through winter, the green, but the old shoots, they lose their leaves usually, if they're exposed, unless they're covered by weeds. They'll actually thin to keep their leaves. More Himalayan Cypress and China fir, blackberries. They've turned purple leaves. This is a cultivated blackberry, thornless. They'll send shoots down to like the raspberries and multiply. The tips will hit the ground and strike roots. This was given to me by somebody. It got frost damage. It's gardenia. I looked them up. On the book, they said they're only like hardy down to zone 9 or so. So that night that went down like 19 degrees did it. I hope it's the base. I'm gonna bring it inside when it gets cold again. Hoping the base is all right, where it won't get as cold. The dirt will keep it from freezing as badly down there in the base. It's less exposed. I hope that it's alive because it has nice scented flowers, as the woman told me. The friend. Yeah. Okay.